We're doing some honey pork chop tonight.
Honey pork chop?
Honey like pork chop with some kind of other seasoning that Boyne has put on.
Should be pretty dang. I thought they were lamb chops.
No, it's pork. Have you ever had pork chop?
Of course, yeah. Don't get me wrong, I like eating many foods.
Yeah, you're well versed in your eating.
Just like Derek's and like misinformation.
Oh really?
So like I don't eat hot dogs.
I mean, it was true at one point.
Never screwed
It was like hot dogs and pizza. That's all a lie.
Well, I mean, dude, like, just like they're ignoring some of like my favorite foods that like I love for my whole life, like pasta.
Yeah. Do you know if it's supposed to rain at all anymore?
I don't know, dude. Earlier, like 2 minutes ago, it was raining.
Yeah, it was kind of been raining on and off today.
Yeah.
I hope I did not leave the bed of the cover on my bed open on my truck.
I mean, they think it's like supposed to be in the 70s next couple days.
Oh really? That'll be nice. Get my mask on. Oh, N95. High quality for this pandemic. Wait, what?
Well, I was just gonna be like, these guys have so many freaking like loiterers, you know?
Yeah.
Like this 7-Eleven is really bad. It's because they have alcohol, dude. That's why.
True. Do you want to hang out here?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, just watch the bikes, the scoots. What?
What are you getting?
Just gonna probably get like a tall boy or something.
Alright. Well, actually, dude, you know, I'm gonna go in and get a twisted tea.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. A little twisted tea action.
Yeah, bro. I haven't had one for a long time. Just so dang.
Hello. Good, how are you doing? Decent beer selection for a 7-Eleven, but not that many 6-packs.
So, half and half.
Always some twisted tea action. They have half and half and original.
Yeah, I'm going half and half personally.
I'm gonna get one of each. Grab some kind of bar here, maybe.
Okay. Just the popcorn, butter is fine. Okay.
What is calling me? I think one of these guys is calling me. Little Reese's Take 5. Oh,
yeah.
you see some ID?
Yeah.
There you go.
If you're holding that, it's okay.
There you go. Thank you, sir.
What is it?
Sorry?
What is it?
Oh, it's just a little GoPro.
Huh?
It's like a camera thing.
Camera?
Yeah, to like record, you know, action shots and stuff.
How much is that?
This thing's like $300.
How much is it?
Like 300, but they have other brands. If you search like GoPro,
Also,
they have like other brands though that are cheaper as well. But this is like the best, quote unquote, best brand. They're like $300.
Amazon?
Sorry?
Amazon?
How much?
Amazon or?
I bought it directly from the site, but I'm sure they sell them on Amazon. Yeah. All right. Have a good day. It's interesting. Let's show the meaning of haste. Wait, do you mind putting this in the bag just for ease? That guy was like asking me about like the GoPro, how much was it, like where do you get it?
He's like, where do you live, man?
Yeah.
It's like, no, it's chill, man. I just want to see your place, that's all. You seem like a cool guy, man.
I just want to come over. I mean, hey, maybe a guy, you know, who works at 7-Eleven wants to have a GoPro, you know, running 24/7 while he's working. People might watch that content. It's like store clerk content. Bonuses like RP, like store clerk content. That might be a hit, you know.
It's like they just hook up all 7-Elevens around the nation with store clerk cams, and they just have a 24/7 feed of like the most interesting things happening at all 7-Elevens around the globe.
It would have to be like a collection of robberies.
Yeah.
What else would be like exciting? Like some guy forgets the change or something?
Just like weirdos, like, you know, like fights with like homeless people.
It's true.
Like sometimes 7-Eleven attracts some real like low life, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean it's just like a.
Sometimes you get like people who are obviously like, you know, crack addicts and shit. Sometimes they're like in that 7-Eleven on River Road.
Yeah, I mean it's like just an area of congregation that's, you know, open 24/7.
Yeah.
And they can, you know, they know people are coming and going pretty often from there.
Analog rider.
Yeah, he doesn't know the meaning.
He doesn't know the meaning of haste, dude.
All right, best. Let's best. Some nice pork chops. What are you basting on there?
Some Vito lime with some honey, oil, apple cider vinegar.
Working with some maple wood pellets here. Getting pretty low. See if we got any drippage action in the container, the collection jar. Actually, I have to look up like how you're supposed to clean this bottom piece here. You're supposed to take that off, clean it every once in a while. But besides that, it's pretty clean running. Check on the asparagus. Yeah.
Maybe spending some more time.
So then you want me to flip them after you're done this? And then you're gonna baste them again.
Rebaste them.
Okay. Put my beer down. Little honey on the pork chop.
Yeah, I think this will be good. We'll see.
I looked up like a, you can look up any recipe, just type in like pork chop Traeger grill, and then, you know, they just got like all the recommended settings and all that.
Yeah, I guess.
It's like a subculture. I'm not sure actually how long these have been around for. I mean, I know they're fairly like new to the grilling scene at least.
So far, I think it's been a great.
I made that like
addition.
spicy barbecue chicken that other night.
And that burger, man. I don't know. Hadn't had a
nice
burger
juicy
since
burger.
the start of quarantine, and that shit was good.
Looking good, bonus. Looking good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put this probe back in here. It's kind of hard to get a good probe on these thinner pork chops.
Does it read from the tip or just the whole thing?
Shit. I mean, I think it reads from like the whole thing, really. More so the tip. I'd imagine, at least. Could be wrong. It's good. Close her back up. See what the probe 1 is telling us, what's reading out. 145 internal cooking temperature, so it's good in there. Gotta look up actually what the exact cooking internal temp. I think it's 160. Yeah.